What's going on, guys? We are currently in the C6. I just started recording and there's literally traffic on the highway. Motherfucker! I lied, someone was pulled over on the shoulder and everyone freaked out. Oh, I might have lied again. Oh my god, there's traffic. Anyways, if you didn't see last video, we just picked up my brand new C6 Corvette 2008 LS3 manual. Fully loaded, 3LT, everything, whatever. Anyways, I've been loving the car so far. It's been driving great, especially since that slave cylinder got replaced. If you saw the video, you know. But alongside that, we're gonna be messing with the exhaust today. I'm super stoked. This car's very quiet. It's bone stock right now. So we're gonna be cutting off the secondary cats and the mufflers. I think is the only thing that's on the car. We'll mess with like the mid-pipe, X-pipe, cats, headers, whatever later on. I'm mainly doing this, not the fact that I actually want to do it, which I do, but more the fact that I've never struggled more in my life trying to find a sound clip for a car. No offense to everyone who owns Corvettes, but like, y'all suck. There's nothing on YouTube. Like, I looked so much, all the videos are ass. Click on it, you're very satisfied. You have a good microphone and a good camera for good quality content, and we have a little fun and we get some good sound clips. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. All right, guys, we just made it over to Next Level Exhaust. Been coming here for so many years, came here with the 35, the G37, so we're back again. Put her up on the lift and check out what it looks like underneath and cut the thing. Also, ignore the taillight. It's taped up with Scotch tape because one of the bolts fell out. Ignore the taillight for the rest of this video. I'm gonna get it fixed, I promise. All right, so this is what the exhaust looks like. Those are the stock mufflers that we are going to cut off. Those are freaking huge. And then coming down here, we got the mid pipe with the X pipe, which we're gonna upgrade later down the road. Those are the secondary cats. Secondary cats, mufflers, both gonna be gone, and we're gonna have a full catback straight pipe. So also, we're gonna be using the same tips. I don't have enough money to do aftermarket tips quite yet. I might come down later down the road and add them, but what we are gonna do is we're gonna make these tips closer together. So instead of being this freaking huge gap right there, we're gonna bring them together and hopefully kind of look like that normal exhaust. Yeah, we're gonna let them do their thing, and she'll be straight pipe here in a second. All right, guys, and the straight pipe is done. Let's go. We got everything ready to go. We're gonna drop the car, give her a little turn on. You can see how she sounds. Man, I'll tell you, moving the tips together more made the look so much better. Doing a little courtesy tip clean as well, making them all shiny and stuff, so that way it looks good. I'm excited. I don't know how loud it's gonna be, I'm not gonna lie. All right, guys, let's get it. I'm gonna have Kevin rev it for me. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. It definitely could be a lot louder, but that still sounds really good. That's like a nice, enjoyable loud. Ready? Seatbelt. Safety. I hate my taillight being messed up when we're shooting the back end for exhaust videos. Nothing. Uh-oh. Handbrake. Too excited. Woo.
Oh yeah. I swear that opened up so much more.
Oh yeah, it definitely opens up more. Wow. I think those secondary cats made a huge back pressure difference because
it's not as bad as...
What'd you say?
It's not as bad.
What'd you say? Alright, for real. Alright, what'd you say? Deadass. Alright, time to make a really tight U-turn. Oh! Oh, fucker. We're out of here. It kind of sounds like a stock Hellcat. Like, I can imagine those burbles? Oh, it sounds so good. I'm happy. I can enjoy this for a while, at least until I get a full exhaust system. Down the road. Not soon. That shit's expensive. Guys, we took the top off to enjoy the little sound we got. Also, it feels nice outside too. You can hear the burbles a lot better now that we're in kind of a quieter area. Let's see if I can get them to... Let's see, let me do it one more time. We're gonna pull over up the street here and get some outside sound clips so we can hear what the car sounds like on the outside fully, but it sounds good. Alright guys, hopefully the audio picks it up good enough. There's a little traffic on the road, so hopefully there's not too much background noise, but I'm just gonna take it up and down the street real quick. Light turned red. Well, yeah guys, let me know what you think. I definitely think it needs more loud, but it definitely does sound nice and tasteful. It's definitely a good cheap route if you just want a little bit of noise on your C6. Secondary cats do not pop the check engine light on, and the mufflers are gone along with those. So let me know what you guys think about the exhaust. Also, let me know what I should do to the C6. I'm still exploring the market since I just got the car, so I'm trying to decide everything I want to do to the car. Not thinking about doing anything too crazy. Give me some ideas down in the comments, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out. That bitch don't tell me to say so. She only like me for that payroll. Ooh.